Bro, I know you're classy, classy. Tonight I want you to get ratchet, ratchet. Tonight I want you to get ratchet.
Naturalists, we back, we back, we back. So before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're rocking with me, comment for talking to me, and subscribe if you're locked in with me. So, as you can see, I did mini twists. And surprisingly, they came out pretty well. I have done mini twists in the past, and it's been like spacey. And so I never tried them again. But I tried them again. I did the twist a little bit smaller this time, and I think it came out okay. But just really quickly, I used Eden Body Works Hydration Custard and Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel. So the hydration custard it's a pretty thick consistency. It's decent. It's a really thick consistency, so it's really good for thick hair like mine. It smells really good. It smells, I can't place what it smells like, but it smells really good. It's almost like cake batter almost. And it says right on here that it's designed for thicker textures, wavy, curly, kinky, to lock in moisture, gives definition, and add shine. So I think just from the look of my twist that it did its job. Now, I was pleasantly surprised with Aunt Jackie's just because I'm not used to gels smelling the way this does. It's not a bad smell. It smells really good. It's like a fruity smell. I love it. But there again, you know what gel looks like. It's a gel. It's a thick gel. It's really good. It goes on your hair well. It goes on your hair super smooth. Enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein. I really liked this gel. But if you follow me on Instagram, I also purchased Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. Listen, I feel like I'm going to have to do a whole video just on that because it was amazing. So this is the final look of my twist. If you want to see what I did to achieve this style, keep on watching. So I started on freshly washed, deep conditioned hair. My scalp is oiled. I'm taking this section, putting my Eden Body Works cream on that section, and then following it up with that gel. Told y'all, it smells so good. So good. But putting that gel on slides down my hair strands like nobody's business. I'm starting really tightly at my roots because I don't want my roots to go crazy and puff all out and stuff because my hair is still damp from when I washed it. But other than that, I'm just twisting it all the way down to the ends, twirl it around my finger, and go on to the next one just like any other twist, except this is just smaller. And now I'm moisturizing the rest of that section just so I can grab and twist, grab and twist. I'm not having to add product and gel to every single strand that I pull apart. One more close up so y'all can see what's happening up in here. Pulling it pretty taut at the roots, twisting it all the way down, twisting it at the ends, move it on. I'm doing this all over my head. Once I get to the front, of course, I'll use a rat tail comb to straighten out the parts because that's the part that's pretty prevalent. And I'm short, so people are always looking at the top of my head. So that's where I want my parts to be straight. And this is the final look, sus. I love it. I really do. I'm going to keep my hair like this for about a week. Give my hair a break. Keep my hands out of it. And we good. Yes, I just said I'm trying to keep my hands out of it. It's difficult, okay? It's hard. Don't judge me. And that is it for this video. If you made it all the way to the end, you should definitely be a part of the Naturally Fan by now. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But I'm going to wildin' out tonight. I'm going to vlog that. So that'll be my first vlog. So be on the lookout for that. Other than that, always remember, self-love is the best love. See y'all next time.